Assalamualaikum. My name is Sidra Ijaz and my roll number is 16T39. This is the 7th lecture of TSP in which we are discussing the transformation of signal. Basically, transformation of the signal means that is signal is changing from one form to another form and its processing is being done. So what basically is done in transformation of the signals, these are 4 steps I have mentioned. First of all, the decomposition of signal is done into pulses using any of the techniques which we have discussed in previous lectures, either it is an even odd decomposition, step decomposition, interlaced decomposition, or Fourier decomposition, whatever the technique is. Then those component signals are passed through systems, and after passing through systems we will get their impulse response, and after getting that impulse response, these impulse responses are synthesized into unity after using shifting or scaling operations, and they are synthesized or they are integrated means the sum of their values is taken and final output y of n is obtained. So first of all, we basically use different methods for obtaining our output y of n. Indirect method, for example, x of n is this, index is there, that is one value at 0, one value at 1 and one value at 2. Y of n is this function, so I'll be putting different values of n. For example, I put y of n minus 1, so there n minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, and minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. So there is no value at minus 1 minus 2 and minus 3, so the signal output is 0. For 0, n is equal to 0, I'll be putting 0 at these, so the output I take is x of 0 at is 1. The signal amplitude at x of minus 1 and x of minus 2 is 0. Similarly, by putting different values of n, I have taken the output of the signal at y of n is equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 2, 1, 3 and 0, and the index is shifted now to this point. But now, as this was the direct method of calculating the values, but now what if I calculate its impulse response? So what I will do is I'll be calculating h of n. So what we do in h of n, as we have defined in our previous lectures, that h of n is basically the system's response, system's impulse response. So x of n in the original signal, I will write those exactly, that y of n is equal to x of n minus 2 x of n minus 1 plus 3x of n minus 2. This. So now this x of n is changed to sigma of n, and we have taken different values of n, 0, 1 and 2, and we have calculated the output response. For example, if I put n is equal to 0, so this will be sigma 0, 0 minus 1 is minus 1 and 0 minus 2 is minus 2, and we know that impulse response at minus 1 and minus 2 is 0, so the output is only 1. Similarly, for putting different values of n, 1, 2 and 3, I have got my output response 0, 1, minus 2, 3 and 0, and I will got 0 at 0 we have got one value, so the index is now shifted to this point. So this is all about lecture number 7.